Why shouldn't I get a second steroid injection for my bursitis? There are a few structures in the body that we call bursa. Bursa are little sacs with a tiny little bit of fluid in them that are designed to allow tendons and muscles to slide over each other. Two very common ones that run into trouble are ones in the shoulder, are ones in the hip. And when they run into trouble, we call it bursitis. But sometimes that's not actually the most accurate title for it. Bursitis implies that there's inflammation, because itis at the end of every word means inflammation. Sometimes it's a problem of shortened muscles putting too much pressure on the structures in or through the bursa. And sometimes in the hip in particular, it's tightened certain muscles that are too tight and press on the bursa. So it's a matter of working with a chiropractor or a sports physician or a physical therapist or trainer or massage therapist who understands how to recognize what all the other muscles around the bursa are doing, and really recognizing that the bursa can be just an innocent bystander. Now, if you had, sometimes people do get relief from injections of steroid into the bursa, but sometimes they don't. If you've had relief from the first one, that's good, but then you need to find out what the root cause of the problem is, because it isn't acceptable to keep having steroid injections. Injections of cortisone actually break down our tissues. It can break down muscle and tendon, and it's not very good for our bones either. It can make people who are diabetic or pre-diabetic have trouble controlling their blood sugar. That's not very good for them either. And for some people, it can also make them feel very stressed and agitated, because cortisone is related to our stress hormones, and some people react psychologically very badly to them. So I don't recommend steroid injections unless we're absolutely certain that that's the only thing that will help. I think having a physical response, like acupuncture, for example, would be a good first step.